Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete a fantasy football league in the ESPN app using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're in, tap on My Team. Now at the top, right, tap on League. Once you're in the League menu, tap on League Manager Tools. Then tap on Basic Settings. Once you're inside the Basic Settings, you will see Delete League option. If you don't see it, that means you are not the manager and you can't delete it. Tap on Delete League. A pop-up will appear asking if you are sure, because once you delete it, the league is gone for everyone. Tap Confirm to finish. Go back to your home screen and you see that the league has been removed from your list of teams, and that's it. That's how you delete a league on ESPN Fantasy Football app using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.